Hello YouTube, this is Nightfall. Today I'll be showing around this beautiful 1997 Ford F-250 heavy duty. This vehicle is equipped with a 460 7.5 liter big block Ford. It has a 4-speed electronically controlled with overdrive. I told you a little about the truck, the engine and transmission, and now I'll tell you about the driveline type. It's a 4x4 manual transfer case, manual locking hubs, 4:10 gear ratio with rear differential limited slip. You could turn into 4-wheel drive, of course, but you only do that when you're off-road. You can see it has two separate gas tanks, as it has two gas tank covers. Together, both of those gas tanks are equivalent to 37.2 gallons of gasoline. This truck also features AC, cruise control, tow package, power steering, power window unlocks, keyless entry, trailer brake controller, AM/FM stereo, high altitude package, here carpeted fiberglass camper shell, and it's all one original owner. Literally, everything about this truck is 100% factory bone stock except for the upgraded rear bumper. This truck drives just like the day it was purchased back from the lot back in 1997. There you go, YouTube. This truck right here is an example of looking back into a time capsule. You don't find this truck in the immaculate condition like that anymore. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.